didn't see it in the start, a quiet sea, a patient heart. It didn't rush, it didn't shout, it grew in silence, reaching out. A whisper turned to melody, a spark became eternity. Love is a slow bloom, oh, it takes its time. Through the rain and shadows it starts to climb, rooted deep, steady and true. Love is a slow bloom with you. We built it brick by careful brick, no fleeting flame, no magic trick. The days were simple, the nights were kind, our story written line by line. Love is a slow bloom, oh, it takes its time. Through the rain and shadows it starts to climb, rooted deep, steady and true. Love is a slow bloom with you. Not every flower needs to blaze, some just open in their ways. A quiet